Today we are going to talk about how butter is made, and then we're going to make our own butter. Hello, my name is Charisse. I am the Girls in STEM coordinator at Discovery Place. Let's talk about how you make this butter. Well, you only need 2 ingredients. You need a mason jar, or you can use Tupperware. Just make sure that your lid can seal quite tightly. You also need room temperature heavy whipping cream. You can only make butter with heavy whipping cream. All right, so you're going to begin by taking your lid off, of course, and then you're going to fill up your jar about 3/4 of the way with heavy whipping cream. Perfect. Then you're going to put your lid back on, and you're going to make sure you want to seal it tightly because you will be shaking it. So this is now the fun process. You are going to shake up your jar until you start to see your butter form. It is going to form in a big clump of butter. All right, let's start shaking. Depending on if your heavy whipping cream is at room temperature or if it's straight from the fridge is pretty huge, because when it's at room temperature, the process of shaking doesn't take as long in creating that butter. It's harder when you're taking it from a very cold refrigerator and now into the process of becoming butter. When we're shaking, we're actually agitating those fat molecules. You can begin to see the butter is forming, starting to clump together. It's not much of a liquid form anymore. Keep going. But now what we're going to do is we're going to carefully open our jar. And I'm going to show you our butter contents. You can see that liquid. That liquid is the buttermilk. So I have here a glass bowl, an empty glass bowl. And I'm going to use my fingers to help me dump that buttermilk, that excess buttermilk out. All right, now I'm going to do a little bit of kneading. Almost like you're kneading dough, just a very gentle knead. So we're going to take out our clump of butter, take it into our hands, and we're going to dip it in cold water and gently squeeze, trying to get that excess buttermilk that's stuck in there. Just gently squeeze it together, start to form a little butter ball in your hand. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my butter back into my jar over here. And I'm going to grab a knife and a piece of toast. Now I'm going to take my knife with my butter on it, and I'm going to spread it across my piece of toast and enjoy.